Hello, I'm Joe from the Arlington Engineering Division, and I'm here on Mass Ave to talk about a new pedestrian crossing. This new crosswalk is located right here at the intersection of Swamp Place and Mass Ave. As part of the Arlington Center's Safe Travels project, a pedestrian hybrid beacon is being constructed. And I know what you're thinking, what the heck is a pedestrian hybrid beacon? It's a good question. A pedestrian hybrid beacon is a new type of traffic signal for crosswalks that is safer for pedestrians while providing less delay for drivers. Let's take a look at how it works. Like a traditional signal crossing, it is push button activated. While the crosswalk is not in use, the pedestrian signals will show a don't walk symbol and the traffic signals will remain dark. Keep calm and drive on. When the button is pressed, the traffic lights turn on and begin to flash yellow. The signals then turn solid yellow and then solid red, just like a normal traffic light. As the traffic signal turns red, the pedestrian signal will display a solid white walk symbol. The cars stop and the pedestrians walk. Eventually, the pedestrian signal changes from a solid white walk symbol to a flashing orange don't walk symbol. And the traffic light begins to alternately flash red to drivers on Mass Ave. At this point, pedestrians should not begin crossing, but those already in the crosswalk should continue. Drivers must yield to pedestrians, but may proceed if the crosswalk is clear. Like a stop sign. The signal then turns dark, and travel may continue until the button is pushed again. And for our cyclist friends wanting to cross Mass Ave, all you have to do is pull up to the painted box. A sensor will recognize you and begin the same signal sequence. So there you have it, the pedestrian hybrid beacon. Coming soon to Swamp Place and Mass Ave, a great new way for you to safely cross the street without driving drivers crazy. For more information, please visit arlingtonma.gov. Happy crossings.